Hello, my loves. Good morning, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I get this delicious and nutritious smoothie, stay tuned. All right, my loves. So this I actually got from Panera Bread, and here are the ingredients. So guys, here are the ingredients that you'll need. For this Panera Bread recipe, I cut everything in half because it's just me. So we'll only need a little bit. So first you need your spinach, honey. I just bought a little one. Lime, and I use the whole thing. A Granny Smith apple, must be Granny Smith. Cucumber, a little bit of salt, and I use the real salt from the farmer's market. And then you just need some ice. So that's it.
That's good.
Okay guys, so first you want to add a little bit of your ice. Not the whole thing yet. A handful of spinach. And then you want to add a little lime. Excuse me. I always like to add a little bit of the lime initially. If you as close as you can get it to the blade, just so it can help blend it better. And then you want to add your cucumber and your apple next. You add all of that in there. And then a little bit of salt. Not a lot, guys. It's just a pinch of salt for taste. And then add the rest of your lime. Try to get that all in there. Squeeze that out. Squeeze as hard as you can. And then a little more ice. And then you want to do your honey. I don't even know why I used the spoon. I just poured the whole thing in there. And it calls for about 3 tablespoons. But I really only added like a tablespoon and a half. Which if you want it sweeter, you can add more or add less. It's up to you. And then we're going to go ahead and blend.
That's